Oh, I can't believe that fell off.
Who knocked that down with a broom, Daddy?
It won't stick anymore.
Who's on that picture, Evelyn?
Who is that? Oh, thank you. I will put it back. Nana.
That's right.
Yeah, you can give it back to Daddy. I'll put it up.
Put it back on?
On.
Oh, I wonder how long it will stay there. Let's see. Are you sweeping the floor like Mommy? Good job. Good job. Can you say sweep? Sweep? What? Are you sweeping? Oh.